Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be solving lintcode question number 2410. Delete the last key value pair of the dictionary. So it's a Python based question. What we have to do in this question, we are given a dictionary. Let's say here name is John, age is mapped to value 22, and class is the key which is pointing to the value of 3. So in this question what is asked, we have to remove the last key of the particular dictionary that is given to us. So let's take another example: French, Thai, and Russia. So here we are removing the last key, which is Russia. So here we are removing it, and this is the output that we are given. Okay, now let's try to understand how we can solve this kind of questions. So before removing the last key, let's understand how we can remove the key itself from a dictionary. Okay, we can use quite quite a number of methods. Let's see the first method, where we can use the delete keyword, and we can give the dictionary and then we can give the key that we want to delete. So let's say we want to delete the key. Now if we run it, we can see the key is deleted from the dictionary. Okay, so this is one method. What else we can use? So if we want to delete with the help of this, we can use pop also, and with pop we can get the value. So in case of this particular value, we are not getting any. If you're using a delete keyword, we are not getting any variable as a result. So it can give us, let's say if we are trying to run this, we can get a key error if the particular key is not present. Okay, now let's take another example how we can use it with the another approach. So if we use something like dictionary, and we can use a pop method on that. So here's the simple dictionary, and let's use the pop method, and we will give the key inside it. Okay, so it is also performing the pop operation, and we are also getting the value which is popped in the dictionary. So if we print, we can get the value also which was deleted for that particular key. So this is very useful if you are trying to print the value which is deleted for a particular key. So this is another method. So second method, you can say that. What else we can do? We can create a separate dictionary also. So for the third method, we can use we can create a new dictionary, and this new dictionary will be a copy of the first, but we will not take that particular key that we want to delete. Okay, so if we have key value pair, okay, so for dictionary we have to use curly braces. We don't need to use the square braces for that. So we'll just mention key and value. For key in the dictionary, for key in the dictionary, which is nothing but tip, and we can say items, and this we want only in the case when the particular key is not cat, okay, or any other key that we want to remove. So if we mention that and we give this particular value over here, we can get that value, but here it is saying that val is not defined. Okay, so okay, yeah, so we have made one mistake here. So we are not taking the pair itself, we are only taking the key, so that's why we are getting that error. Okay, so now we are getting it. So this is another approach where we are not removing, so it's taking an extra space, and we are removing the key also with this approach. So another approach, we can use it in a simple format where we don't need to use the items. We can simply say that value we can take from the dictionary itself, like this, the value we can take, and when we are iterating over the loop, we can take the value of key and we can iterate over the dictionary. Okay, so here we have here we have given the wrong name. Okay, so this also we can do. So we have seen 4 methods where we can delete a particular keyword. Now let's try to come to the question. Now we are pretty familiar on how we can delete a particular key. So in this question, what we have to do, we have to delete a particular key which is nothing but the last key of the dictionary. What approach we can use it over here? We can create something like a list out of the keys which are present in the dictionary. So if we say, so this dict in is the basically dictionary that is given here, we can see in the function parameter. And to take the value of the key which is present in the last, we can say -1. So what it will do, it will take the value, last value. So if we are say, let me give you an example. Okay, so in this case, so this particular dictionary, name, age and class. So the dictionary, what we are doing over here is creating a list based on name, based on the keys which are present in the dictionary. So name, age and class will be coming under that list. And when we say -1, so if we take values from a dictionary from right to left, it will be -1, -2, -3 and so on. And if we take values from left to right, so it will be 0, 1 and 2. So this kind of approach we have to use. So if you are taking the last value, we can take -1. So I hope this is clear. So once we have done that part, we can use the simple delete keyword to remove the value from the dictionary, and we can say dictionary is this, and the key we have to mention, which is we have taken from the first line, and we can say, and the last we have to do is to return that particular dictionary that we have removed the key from, so which is nothing but the dict in itself. Now let's run it. So it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Okay, it is also getting accepted. So I hope you found this video insightful. So in this video we learned about 4 different methods of how we can delete a particular key from the dictionary. First one is to use the delete keyword, then another one is to use the pop. So in the pop method we can store the value also which is getting deleted, and the other 2 methods were the copy of the dictionary. We are taking a copy of a dictionary, and that's how we are doing it. One is with the help of items, another one we are simply iterating with the key value pair. So these 4 methods we can use it over here also, and here we have seen like we have created the keys based on the dictionary, we have created a list based on the keys present in the dictionary, and from that list of keys we have taken the value which is the last one, which is pointing to -1. So last one we are taking, and we have removed that particular key once we have taken that key from that list of keys, and we are returning the dictionary. I hope this is clear. So it's pretty straightforward after we have understood the concept of the list and how we can delete a key. So two approaches we have combined into a one question, and it's pretty straightforward. So I hope you find this video insightful. Do like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.